boy. In a small village by rolling hills lived a poor boy named Sham who loved to paint. One day, while gathering berries in the forest, he found an old wooden box with a shiny paintbrush inside. Sam took it home, feeling a special connection to it. Back in his cottage, Sam used the brush to paint an apple. To his amazement, the apple came to life and rolled off the paper. Realizing the paintbrush was magical, Sam painted food and toy and shared them with the village children. The villagers were overjoyed and grateful for Sam's wonderful gifts. News of the magic paintbrush reached the greedy king, who demanded Sam bring it to the castle. The king offered richer, but Sam refused. Agreed to, the king ordered his guards to take the brush by force quickly. Sam drew the cage around the king, dropping him. Sam spoke firmly, "If this brush is meant to bring happiness, not to satisfy greed." The villagers cheered the Sam's bravery and cleverness. The king, realizing the mistake, apologized and promised to be kinder. From them on, Sam used the paintbrush to help the village thrive. The villagers learned the kindness and creativity and more powerful than greed. The village prospered not just because of love and unity Sam inspired. Moral of the story is kindness and creativity are more powerful than greed. True happiness comes from using our talent to help others, not from seeking personal gain. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. See the next video.